put it on. You can't tell when we do it.
I know.
So, welcome to fucking Radio Land, I guess. We,
Radio doesn't have land.
I've been drinking this fucking drink. It's a special drink. It's strong.
Radio lives in the waves.
I think it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 3:09.
There's someone on our tile.
Yeah, Brandon's passed out on the fucking floor, dude. And I think Ashley's on the couch.
She's on the couch. She sleeps on couches.
Yeah, she's a fucking couch hopper. Couch hopper.
Couch hopper.
I don't know, like, if all of our levels are good, dude. I'm just, like, gonna run this down. Really, this should be probably about here. So we can turn this up another notch. This is usually what
He's doing the technicals right now.
Yeah, it's tough.
And he's texting. He's doing technical texting. It's not good. Oh man, you may hear the slurring of the words, but the words are slurred for the reason. Oh man. My eyes are closed and vibing. Did you say Rafflecopter? Bass?
It might have.
Who's our third person in this? Who we talking to? Finger tapping.
I think I'm texting Desiree. I don't remember.
She doesn't have a headset on.
I know, that's why I had to that's why I had to text, bro.
So I don't think we're gonna have to take too many bathroom breaks this time, everybody.
Yeah, where was the bathroom break?
We're just
The Dutchman ain't here.
Dutchman.
He was here.
He was. He went to his Feliz Navidad
Yeah, his
fiesta, and now he's siesting, sleeping. Drank some beers.
Some Modelos.
We drank the better beers.
Me?
No, I said we drank the better beers. Our beers are purples.
We get purple beers. Dude.
What? What is this?
Watch, I'm gonna run this beat back.
Yeah, I heard Zang or